Hey, good morning, and good morning. We are just here talking about vocabulary, right? We've been having some fun with some words, and I'm obviously the special ed professor who is learning vocabulary alongside with you. And so today's word is, and I'm going to make sure I say it correctly, is Quixotic. Quixotic. Yes, that's what it says. It's pronounced Quixotic. Quixotic. And so definition here, it means it's dreamy, unrealistic, can't go for it. The example that it gave me, so when I was looking it up and studying it and saying Quixotic, you know, it sounds like exotic, but it's got a fastness to it, right? Because it's quick. Maybe not. But it says it's a playful word. It's rooted in Don Quixote, a classic. Well, now, do you think that I got to read some Don Quixote in the classes that I was in? Oh no, I never got to do that. So I'm not even sure what happens in Don Quixote, but I know it's a classic character known for windmills and impossible dreams and trying to get them. Maybe I should go see. I probably could read it now. So I'm probably going to go see what Don Quixote is about. But our word for today is Quixotic. 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 All right, so it's spelled, I want to make sure you get it right. So Quixotic is spelled Quixotic. That's Quixotic. Quixotic. All right, it sounds good though. I'm going to use that in a sentence. It'll probably be all wrong. But I'll say stop being so quixotic. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.